In this video, you'll learn how to start an eBay auction. By following these steps, you will be able to effectively list your items for auction and engage potential buyers. Let's begin with the first step of the process. Start by logging into your eBay account. Once you are on the home page, locate the option labeled Sell at the top of the screen. Click on this option to proceed to the listing page. Here, you will need to enter a clear and descriptive title for your product, which helps potential buyers understand what you're offering. After entering the title, you will be prompted to select the appropriate category for your item. Choosing the correct category is essential as it affects how buyers find your. Next, you must select the auction format instead of the buy it now option. This choice allows bidders to compete for your item over a specified period. It's important to set a competitive starting price that encourages interest. Lower starting prices can attract more bidders, increasing the chances of a successful auction. Once you've set your starting price, you can move on to the next step. After setting the price, the next step involves uploading clear and high quality photos of your product. Clear images are crucial as they give potential buyers a good idea of the item's condition. Additionally, write a detailed description that includes information about the product's condition and specifications. Make sure to include any relevant details that might influence a buyer's decision. Additionally, you can specify the auction duration with options typically ranging from 3 to 7 days. Choose the duration that fits your selling strategy best. You will also need to select shipping options and handling time. Consider your shipping method and how long it will take for the item to reach the buyer. Be aware that shipping costs can affect the overall interest in your auction. Before you publish your listing, take a moment to review any listing fees associated with the auction. This review is important to avoid unexpected costs after your auction goes live. Finally, once you've completed all the necessary fields, click on the button to publish your auction listing. After publishing, it is essential to monitor bids regularly and respond promptly to any questions from potential buyers. This engagement can help foster trust and encourage bidding. Avoid ending your auction early without a valid reason, as this may frustrate interested bidders. Once the auction has concluded, contact the winning bidder as soon as possible and ship the item promptly after receiving payment to ensure a smooth transaction. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.